Hi there. Today we're going to get started with the Courier Inbox SDK for React. Let's suppose I have a React app that shows a newsfeed. I'd like to add in-app notifications so users know when their posts are liked, commented on, or shared. We'll use the Courier Inbox SDK to embed a full-featured, real-time notification center. Here's the code for my app's header, where the notification center will live. Let's assume I've already retrieved the user ID and a JSON Web Token or JOT to authenticate the SDK. Check out the Courier documentation for details on generating JOTs. First, install the Courier React package. Then, back in the code, get a reference to the shared instance of the Courier SDK with use Courier. In a useEffect hook, use that instance to call signin with the JOT and user ID. Both state variables are dependencies of this hook. Finally, add the pop-up menu variant of the Courier Inbox component. This will create an icon that opens the inbox. Let's fire up the app and see it in action. And look at that, Sarah liked my post. Thanks, Sarah. And that's all you need to get up and running with Courier Inbox. The Courier Inbox SDKs are available for React, vanilla JavaScript, and mobile platforms. We can't wait to see what you build.